OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 delivers Audi MED17.5 TC1766 reading on bench. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Today, we've got something exciting for you, so stick around and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's get started. Unlocking the intricacies of automotive electronics, the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 has proven its mettle by seamlessly reading the Audi Bosch MED17.5 TC1766 on bench. This feat is achieved without encountering any hurdles, underscoring the device's reliability and efficiency. To accomplish this task, several accessories are required: the OBDSTAR MP001 programmer, the OBDSTAR P004 ECU clone jumper, and the main cable. Navigating through the menu function path, users are guided step by step to access the necessary features for ECU reading. Starting from the ECU flasher, users delve deeper into the ECM menu, specifically targeting ECM version 30.60, and eventually zeroing in on the MED17.5 option, culminating in the Audi Bosch MED17.5 TC1766 selection. This structured pathway ensures users can navigate the device effortlessly, minimizing any potential confusion. Accompanying the device's functionality is a comprehensive wiring diagram specific to the X300 Classic G3 and Audi MED17.5 TC1766 configuration. This diagram serves as a visual aid, facilitating proper connection and ensuring a seamless operation. Following the prescribed connection instructions, users can establish the required links with confidence and precision. Once the connections are established, users are prompted to select the bench and MP001 options, ensuring the device is configured appropriately for the task at hand. Additionally, internet connectivity is recommended to facilitate smooth operation, further enhancing the device's capabilities. With the setup complete, users can proceed to extract vital information from the ECU with ease. The X300 Classic G3 boasts a range of functionalities, including reading ECU info, INT EEPROM data, INT flash data, and iMemo data. Each step is meticulously executed, with the device delivering consistent and accurate results. Upon completion of the task, users are greeted with a reassuring "Done" message, affirming the successful extraction of data from the Audi Bosch MED17.5 TC1766 ECU. This seamless process epitomizes the X300 Classic G3's prowess in automotive diagnostics and programming, cementing its status as a reliable and indispensable tool for automotive professionals and enthusiasts alike. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this dive into the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.